Replacing the battery in your 2019 Infiniti QX50 key fob is a simple DIY task. Your key fob uses a CR2032 battery, which typically lasts 2 to 4 years. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. These batteries can be found online or at most auto parts stores for just a few dollars. A new key fob can cost upwards of $200. Replacing the battery yourself will save time and money. Make sure you work in a static-free environment and dispose of the old battery responsibly. First, locate the seam on your key fob. Gently insert the pry tool or screwdriver into the seam and twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting its orientation, positive side up. Insert the new battery in the same orientation. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together until you hear a click. Test the fob's functions to ensure the new battery is working correctly. If it doesn't work, the battery may be old or you installed it upside down.